Hello darlings, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all so much for clicking on this video and tuning in to see how I created this hairstyle. I really hope you guys are doing well because we're going through such a rough time right now. Just like everything has just been chaotic since 2020 started, I can say, and it's just been getting worse. So I really hope you guys are doing well. I have not been well the last few days. It's just not been good for my energy. It's just been too much. It's been a really rough time that we're going through right now. I'm sure a lot of you guys are feeling how heavy 2020 has been so far, and I want to know how you guys are doing. Like, how are you guys doing? How are you guys managing at this time, you know, with just everything that's going on? How are you guys coping? What has been your mechanism? How have you guys been doing? You guys can just share in the comment section and tell me how it has been for you, and we just help to encourage each other, because it certainly has not been easy for me. So I can only imagine for the persons here in my community that live in the US and have to be so close to all the chaos that has been going on. So I'm just gonna jump into this video, show you guys how I created this hairstyle. As usual, it's really quick, easy, and affordable. Another $2 hair extension style that you guys are gonna love, and this hairstyle is about an hour, so which makes it a lot more practical for a lot of people. It's about an hour to an hour and a half, depending on how fast you do your crochet braids. So now, without further ado, let's jump straight into the video. So I'm using this crochet wig cap in the size large, and I'm taking this black piece of lace, and it's measured at 3 by 4 inches, and this is the hair that I'll be using. And guys, I really wanted to use my ultra hair like I always do. Couldn't get it. I ordered the hair and it took like more than a week to come because of the coronavirus and everything, so everything is delayed. And when I got it, it was a total different hair than I ordered, and I thought of sending it back, but what could I do? The time was just running out, and I wanted to create this video for you guys. You guys can use whichever hair you prefer. Yeah, and I'm just going ahead and crocheting it the normal way to the wig cap. So guys, from now on, before putting braiding hair into my hair, I'll be doing things a lot differently. So I actually went ahead and soaked this hair in vinegar overnight, and then shampooed it and conditioned it. And yeah, I will be showing you guys the process in another video, but if you guys can't wait until I put up that video, there are several videos that you guys can check out on YouTube to see how you can do a vinegar soak on your hair to help remove some of the dangerous chemicals that are on the hair. I went ahead and I made these 2 U's on my lace, and as you guys can see, the base of the U is a lot wider than the top of the U. And guys, don't use a white eyeliner pencil. You really don't need to do that. So I just draw the lines, and then I went ahead and stitch it down to my crochet wig. And as you guys can see, this is how I stitch it down, and I did a double stitch to ensure that it's properly secured to the hair. And this type of part right here, I'm going to be cutting off, as well as cutting out the center of it. So one of you guys requested that I do a straight hair crochet wig, so this is why I'm doing this bob today. So now I'm at the top of the wig, and I'm just using the invisible crochet method to make that nice and seamless. And you just use this fine crochet needle to just pierce holes into the lace. It goes through quite easily, and you're also able to pierce it at the elastic band. And I'm only using the invisible method for the extreme center of the wig. The side portions going around the band, I'm just using the regular method because it goes a lot quicker.
close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
I'm just going ahead and cutting the hair to my liking. Of course, you guys can section the hair, make a guide first, and then do all that fancy stuff, but I'm not about that life today. I want this wig to be so quick, so easy to follow. So I'm just holding the hair in chunks that I can manage in my shear and just cutting it straight across. And you don't want to cut off too much hair at once.
Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
So after making my blunt cut, I just went in and kind of trimmed the hair like in this position like you guys see me doing now, so that it has a little bit more movement to it.
And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow
So now I'm ready to install the wig to my head.
them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays.
So if you guys have a problem with seeing the parting closer to the front portion of your head, you can just easily take a piece of hair from one section of the head and put it over to the next section, and that just kind of close it off. But my parting wasn't showing, but I just wanted to show you that just in case it's necessary in your case. As you guys can see, the hair has a lot of movement. I really liked it with this extremely blunt cut. I didn't want to do too much with it. I didn't want to curl it or anything, but you guys can go ahead and curl it or flat iron it if you want to. I did not want to do so much with the hair. This is a quick wig. It's supposed to be done in a short amount of time, but you guys can always go ahead and do that if you wish to. I damped my hair first with a little bit of water before going in with my flat iron, and my flat iron only has on and off, and it gets really hot, so I just turned it on for like a minute, and then I turned it off and allowed it to cool down for maybe 2 minutes or 3 minutes, and then I went in with it to curl my bang. You still have to remember that this is synthetic hair, so if the iron is too hot, it will burn the hair. And I do like to go in with a bit of water on the hair first before using an iron on it, because apart from the fact that it makes the hair curl a lot quicker and look a lot more defined with the curls, it also helps to prevent the hair from burning quickly. But I did not wet it too much though.
Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest.
Now this is it for this video, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and that you found it helpful. If you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up before you leave. It would mean a lot to me. And also, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, be sure to do so before you leave. Hit that notification bell, and I will see you guys in my next video.